Human fingerprints are detailed, nearly unique, difficult to alter, and durable over the life of an individual, making them suitable as long-term markers of human identity. Fingerprints may be used by police or other authorities to identify individuals who wish to conceal their identity or to identify people who are incapacitated or deceased and unable to identify themselves. Elements have a fingerprint equivalent. Since they are capable of absorbing and emitting light, every element has its own characteristic spectra. Just like crime scene forensic investigators, chemists use atomic spectroscopy to do basic analysis of many types of chemical materials. Spectroscopy is the branch of science that investigates and measures the spectra produced when matter interacts with or emits electromagnetic radiation. Scientists use a spectroscope, which is an instrument